This is Kate Weatherwise with a weather update concerning the conditions that are now coming together to create severe weather in the center part of the country. We have a severe thunderstorm watch that is currently in place for central Kansas up into far southeastern Nebraska and northwestern Missouri. This severe thunderstorm watch expires at 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time. We also have the potential there in the blue oval across the panhandle of Texas and Oklahoma, a severe thunderstorm watch there, but it is not looking too likely to be issued. Looking at the current radar, we do see up into Kansas those storms that are forming out ahead of a line. We will take a look at that line here in a moment. Some of them are turning severe up into north central Kansas, and this is just outside into the northwest of Amarillo, Texas, where thunderstorms are strong but not severe. Now, taking a look at the satellite imagery with radar enhancement, you see those winds streaming up from the south, meeting this front that is to the northwest into Colorado. This is the setup that I talk about quite often in the springtime, where we have the potential for severe weather to set up. And this is going to be one of those evenings where we are likely to see some damaging winds and large hail and lots of lightning and rain from the thunderstorms that do form out ahead of this line. This just gives us an indication of how the atmosphere is changing in the center of the country, as opposed to earlier this week where we had lots of dry air that came down from the north. Things are starting to heat back up and the humidities are starting to go back up with those southerly winds streaming in from the Gulf, creating the environment for severe weather to come back into the picture for the center of the country. I don't think we'll see any tornado formation here into Kansas, down into Oklahoma and or Texas this evening, as the parameters just aren't quite right. But we do see the parameters becoming more realistic as we get towards the weekend and beyond. As always, I will be back with further updates, and we'll keep monitoring the situation and we'll report on any tornadoes that do happen to form. But like I said, I don't think that's going to be the case tonight. That being said, this is Kate Weatherwise saying goodbye for now.